my God, what is happening? Is this really working? Is this honestly working? Somebody I know right now is coming through the screen saying, leave it alone, don't touch it. Honey, are we seeing what is happening? Are we believing this, honey? And yes, sis, it's all mine. All mine. Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another quick chit chat talk through video, totally about hair today. I decided to turn my camera on really quick when I was going through the process of diffusing my hair. I had a great epiphany on trying to figure out another technique on diffusing my hair, getting volume without creating frizz. I brought you guys several videos like this, and I typically zone in on the products that I use, but in this video I'm going to share with you the products that I've used, the reasons that I use them, and also the technique on how I was able to get these types of results on day one. Now, if you're a curly hair twin of mine, you know day one hair is starting to be a no. It's the day that I typically allow my hair to air dry. I kind of start to pull the hair back to kind of create a little bit of a stretch, and then on day 2 and 3 I'm actually able to get better results, if not pulling it all the way up in a bun. But for today, this is honestly giving me results of day 2, but the fluffiness of day 1. So I'm really excited to share this new technique with you guys. It's new to me, might not be new to you, but if it's not new to you and you haven't shared with me, are we really hair twins? Are we really besties? Because technically hair twins share everything. So if you guys get into the video and you have tried this technique, or if you have any better techniques that work on our density of hair color, texture, go ahead and share them down below. But without further ado, I'm going to share this quick little tutorial with you guys, and I am absolutely in love with the results, and I'm hoping that you are as well. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also click that bell for more videos like this from me, Makeup by Kiani. Also, if you're interested in the makeup look, I will leave down below a whole link of the products that I've actually used. And you know what? Check with me on my Instagram. This video is probably already up. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so I thought this would be a fun video to do, hopefully informative as well, because this is what my hair looks like typically before you guys see it. So normally after I've gone through my whole attempt to try to diffuse my hair, after it has basically air dried, but I still always end up with super wet roots. Like my hair is still wet to the touch here. I'm gonna say it might be about 65% dry, whereas on the ends I'm definitely about 95% dry. So you can probably hear that little crunch, but you would be able to hear that crunch if my air fryer wasn't sizzling me some fish right now. But don't worry about it. What I actually use in my hair is my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and I use that all over. And then I did a light coating of the Pantene Curl Affair. With these products, I find that they dry extremely fast, so I wasn't having to wait on my hair to dry other than at the root. So I want to use another one of my favorite styling products, this Curlsmith styling souffle. It's really a lightweight gel. It gives me like a level 4 hold, which is basically all I need, and you'll see that it's, you know, very gel like, and I'm working with one hand, so I'm actually going to be really specific with where I put it, because I'm only going to apply it in the place where I get all of this darn frizz. So this might be a new way for us to get around so much frizz, and because I do have a good amount of hold on the ends of my hair, I'm just going to, you know, barely apply any to that, because I really don't want any more definition on the ends than what I have. But I do need the hold. I need the hold at the root, and I'm going to hope that that 65% moisture that I'm feeling, I mean, who really comes up with the percentage? But let's just, what I'm trying to say is my hair is not completely dry. I'm going to hope that that little bit of moisture that's left is going to help me diffuse, move the product around, and not worry about that crazy frizz. And you can see what's happening already. Like the curls automatically already want to shake it loose. I'm going to take my wedding rings off because they're starting to pull. Let's just see what I get right now. Let's see. I don't want to really shake it loose. Like I really feel like I need to diffuse that some to get the volume that I want, but I might, and you see what I've already done right here. I broke that cast and we're getting that crazy frizz situation. So I'm probably going to have to resaturate that with a little bit of something to pull that back into the fold. I'm actually just gonna grab my Curl Talk leave-in conditioner. This is the spray one because I really don't want to saturate it all the way back down with water. I find that this is actually pretty efficient with rehydrating. Can you see what just happened? How it made that look the way my hair should look if had I re-wet it, but it's not putting in the frizzing effects of water. Like I had enough moisture in there. That was just a little damaging thing that I've done to my hair. But I can feel right now like I could probably shake this loose, but I can tell with all of the moisture that's in my root, I probably need to go in a little bit more with this in the back. I think the side got a little bit more than the back did. So let's go in with this one hand maneuver again, and let's get over in this root area. Just kind of squish it up. Squish it up. I've seen girls do this with foam. So let's see if it actually does it with gel. All right, I think we're good. The perimeter needs a little bit of love, but I'm gonna come back and hit that once we're done drying it. I don't know if I'm actually going to pull these hairs forward or if I'm going to flip it to this side or this side. Let's just kind of see where we're going to take it. And I kind of feel like right in the middle. I kind of feel like this area here needs a little bit of something too. Tiniest amount. Move that around. Ooh, I'll be glad to get this cast off. So anywhere that I feel moisture, I feel like I need to go in and add the gel. Normally people apply the gel while the hair is really wet, but I find that I can't get enough volume in my hair when I do that. You see, this is already turning into a different style right here. I'm able to break the caster loose, get some volume to it, get that lift at the root the way I need, and now let's see if we can just oh, got a little bit of frizz back here. You can see it already. You know what? Let's go ahead and address that right now. I could surely do this a lot better if I had both hands, but you guys, that's automatically looking better, right? And I could do a quick tuck. Ooh, that might work. Okay, I'm gonna grab my dryer and I'm gonna have it on warm temperature, low heat, because I really just want to really give the volume at the root without destroying the hair. So that's my intention. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna get over, lean my hair over to kind of keep it from laying too flat. I'm pushing my hair forward to try to get it to dry good volume. If I lean it back like this, then I'm actually pushing the hair back this way, and then I end up having to fight it to push it forward. So this actually works a little bit better. And I'm just doing a quick scrunch motion. This technique I know will for me if I wanted to kind of elongate or stretch my curls. But as of right now, today I'm just going for more frizzless volume. Alright guys, and I am back. My camera died while I was finishing up diffusing, which is fine. Other than it did allow my neighbor time to start mowing. But anyway, let's take a look at the results. Are we seeing this? We have a little bit, just a tiny bit of frizzing right here on top. But for the most part, so we have tons of definition. Tons of definition, very minimal frizz, and I have not even fluffed it. So somebody I know right now is coming through the screen saying, leave it alone, don't touch it. But I have a pick, and we just have to, we have to push this to, ouch my wrist. We have to try to push this to the limit. Oh my God, what is happening? Is this really working? Is this honestly working? Oh my God. All right, let's go underneath. What? Volume? You are kidding. You are kidding. Picking underneath so we can kind of camouflage. We can camouflage if we go a little bit too ham. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, let's do the quick little tuck. The tuck always makes the style better. All right, pull these pieces over. You guys know I'm really honestly doing this with one hand. This would be so much better if I could get both hands in, but maybe not because I would probably create more frizz. Let's tuck and let's pause. And there we have it. You guys are seeing it. I have tons of body, tons. I even have kind of a ridiculous amount of shine. I don't feel like my hair is over dried. And we just have that volume. Guys, honestly, around the front of my hair, where I have so much more color, these areas here, I normally get so much frizz. This is so minimal. The frizz that I'm getting is actually part of the cushion to give me that volume. So I'm not mad at it. Like, I am not mad at it. It doesn't look like I overworked it. And I think that's actually a quick technique that I will probably use more indefinitely. What are you guys' thoughts? What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? I mean, I can work with my edges a little bit. I probably should do that because if my teenager is watching this video, she's losing it right now. Like, Mom, you didn't do your edges. But let's just shake a little bit. And I'm kind of having to let these pieces do what they want. Like, I think they just kind of want to be on this side. Let's even try this. Let's actually pull this in the middle, which is kind of how I've been wearing it because my bangs are, they're getting so much longer. Yeah, that's really what the style is doing right now. And I'm actually going to get my color done next week. So we're gonna just tuck this behind the ear, which is basically how I've been wearing it. So therefore you don't see the edges as much. Yeah, and let's just kind of keep the cast on it. And yeah, looks like the sun is starting to shift. Perfect time to end this video. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this quick little chit chat while I did my hair type video. Comment down below if you will be trying this technique. I totally have been thinking about this so much, and I've just been noticing so much frizz, and I'm like, but my cut is actually still pretty much intact. Otherwise my ends would be going absolutely nuts. And I always got the same amount of frizz in the total, in the same amount of places. So I was totally to blame for that. I apologize. But I think we have a better technique. Comment down below if you'll be trying this technique. If you have already tried this technique, make sure that you go ahead and comment and let me know any other best practices, because you guys know that we're hair besties, hair twinsies. So make sure that you share your information. Comment down below. Make sure also that you follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that bell. Also click the subscribe button so next time I upload, you will be notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.